Hello, welcome to miniOrange. In this video, we will configure the Magento SAML IDP plugin with WordPress as SP. Let's get started with the setup. To log in to the Magento admin dashboard, enter your username and password. You are logged into your dashboard. Now go to the SAML IDP extension from the left menu. Click on the account from the list. Log in using the username and password associated with the miniOrange user account, and click on the Login button. Here you will require the license key to activate the extension. For that, click on the Click Here to view license key link. For the license key, log in to the miniOrange account. Here you can see the license key to activate the extension, copy it. Go back to the Magento site and paste the copied license key in the text box. Read the terms and conditions before activating the license key by clicking the checkboxes. Then click on the Activate License button to activate the license. Navigate to the Application tab. Search for the WordPress SAML, under the Choose Application. Select the WordPress SAML application. Now, enter the SP name as WordPress. Let's configure WordPress as SP. Go to the WordPress site, and log in with your WordPress credentials. Now, go to the miniOrange SAML SSO extension from the left menu. Then navigate to the Service Provider Metadata tab. Scroll down and copy the SP Entity ID URL. Go back to the Magento site. Paste the copied SP Entity ID URL here. Copy the ACS URL. Paste the copied ACS URL here. Copy the SAML logout URL. Paste the copied SAML logout URL here. Now, let's add the attributes. To do so, click on the Add Attribute button. Enter the attribute name here as required. And select the value of the attribute you want to map against the attribute name from the drop-down. You can add multiple attributes according to your requirements by clicking on the Add Attribute button. Then, click on the Save button to save your Magento configuration. Now, click on the Action menu. Then click on the Metadata. Select the site from the drop-down menu where you want to enable SSO. Then, click on the Save button to save your Magento configuration. Copy the IDP Entity ID URL and keep it handy. And go back to the WordPress site. Navigate to the Service Provider Setup tab. Click on the Add New IDP button. Enter your IDP name here. Then, paste the copied IDP Entity ID URL here. Go back to the Magento site. Copy the SAML Login URL. Paste the copied SAML Login URL here. Copy the SAML Logout URL. Paste the copied SAML Logout URL here. Copy the certificate and keep it handy. Back to the WordPress site and paste the copied certificate here. Then click on the Save button to save your WordPress configuration. You can also configure your SP using the metadata URL or by using downloaded metadata. Now, click on the Test Configuration under the Select an Action dropdown. You have successfully configured Magento as IDP and WordPress as SP. Let's see how it works. Open a new browser or private window and go to your WordPress site. Click on the Login with Magento link to initiate the SSO. Log in with your Magento credentials. Congratulations, the user has successfully logged into WordPress using Magento credentials. Let's explore how the backup/restore feature works. We have configured WordPress application. Let's export its configuration. To do so, navigate to the Debug/Backup tab. Then go to the Backup and Restore section. We offer a backup configuration feature that lets you quickly set up another instance by simply uploading the downloaded file. Click on the Backup Now button to download your configuration. Let's see how you can easily restore the backed up configuration into the new instance. As you see, there is no configured application here. Navigate to the Debug/Backup tab under the Restore configuration. Upload the downloaded config file here. And click on Restore button. Data imported successfully. Now, go back to the Application tab. Configured application restored successfully. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us at magentosupport@securify.com.